Ambulance!
Beginning at 8:27 a.m. and ending at 1:27 p.m. The suspect is identified of your body department. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds.
It's her with a
She
day
has black
voice.
hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing unknown clothing. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Ormixon.
Sir, that we absolutely love, and we got it.
With animal prints. She has black hair and brown eyes. She is 2 feet 5 inches tall and weighs about 20 pounds. The abduction happened at West Georgia. The suspect was driving a white 2019 East Grand Cherokee with license plate S944NW. If you have any information, please call police at 801-8-404-0000 or simply dial 911.
Because it's on that PBS station.
The suspect was driving a white 2019 East Grand Cherokee with license plate S944NW. If you have any information, please call police at 801-840-4000 or simply dial 911.
Local presentation of the children's programs.